Today I'm going to talk about primary immunodeficiency disorders. And usually this deficiency is due to genetic defect, and it appears early in life, and it is usually X-linked. That is to say, it affects boys or males more than females. And now I am going to discuss some primary immunodeficiency disorders. For example, Proton A Gammaglobulinemia. And this result in this immunodeficiency, primary immunodeficiency, result in severe reduction in B cell and all isotypes. It is this Proton A Gammaglobulinemia. It is due to proton tyrosine kinase gene defect, which lead to production of immature B cells that do not produce antibodies. And of course, this may be associated with infection in the body, maybe skin infection, oral candidiasis or oral ulceration, and gingivitis. So it is an X-link. This disorder, Proton A Gammaglobulinemia, is an X-link. And also ShidaKhigashi Syndrome. It is primary, or it is due to primary immunodeficiency. And as you know, if someone gets infected by microorganisms, this microorganism will be taken by antigen presenting cells in a vagosome. Then this vagosome inside the antigen presenting cell will bind to lysosome to form vagolysosome. So when the lysosome, when they lose their function, this will lead to infection in the body. So loss of function of lysosomes, so the immune cells, they lose their capacity to kill bacteria, and this may lead to recurrent oral ulcerations or recurrent infection. Also another primary immunodeficiency, it is known, immunodeficiency disorder is known as leukocyte adhesion molecule deficiency, or LAD. And as you know that during inflammation, neutrophils, they get out of the blood vessel to the site of injury of infection to encounter microorganisms, and this is preceded by some steps. For example, first they get arrested as they bind to adhesion molecules, then they roll, then this followed by extradiabesis. So when these adhesions molecules fail to get abriculated, this will lead to defect in the trafficking of the leukocyte, and also it might lead to delayed umbilical cord separation, and leukocytosis, and skin ulceration, and maybe periodontitis. Okay, now I'm going to talk about selective IgA deficiency as a primary immunodeficiency disorder. In patients with gluten sensitive enteropathy, or some of these patients, maybe around 3 to 5%, may suffer from selective IgA deficiency, and as you know that these patients, they have allergy to gluten gliadin.